It's snowing out there. Let I want to show you, but it's rainy and snowy out there. And I am doing those videos maybe a billion times. I want it to be, it's perfect actually. I invested so many times for it. And maybe I will go out for a walk, I don't know. But it's looking like this. It's snowing. So maybe I will go out, maybe I will meet some friend of mine, I don't know. And I was planning to go to church actually. Around this times I can go to church. Maybe it's Sunday, I don't know. And yeah, that's all I can say to you. Love you. Bye for now.